It's pretty simple. With the right tools, the job goes much smoother and hassle-free. So here we have the Klein tools 11055 wire cutter and wire stripper. This is made in the USA. It's a stranded wire cutter, solid wire cutter, and cuts copper wire. So they've been in the tool business since 1857, and this unit is built to reduce hand fatigue with the nice cushioned rubberized handles. It comes with screw shearing, 6 to 32 and 8 to 32 inch. It's got a serrated nose, so it's easy for bending and shaping and pulling of wires. It strips, cuts, and loops. So if you got some big jobs or even small jobs around the house or around the job, then this is a must for your tool belt or your tool bag.